We are in major profit after Bitcoin hit its new all-time high and Ethereum took a push, and we all predicted this move towards the upside, these new all-time highs. All the bears got liquidated here, and we are currently breaking a very important resistance line here, which could lead for the next leg up. The total market cap looks ready to explode 70% here. But first of all, before we dive into the trades and the data here, please make sure to follow me over on X to never miss a daily update once again. And please make sure to subscribe on my YouTube channel and like this video for every single day a daily update video. So let's dive into the charts right now, because we are currently in a massive profit here. We are currently 50k up on our Bitcoin trade, and we are also 110k up on our Ethereum trade. And as you can see, I flipped this account from 70k towards 260k here, which is massive, and we all did that live here over on my YouTube channel and over on my X page. I called everything live here, but let's dive into the charts right now, because we have been breaking out of this momentum squeeze there, and that means that price is squeezing towards the breakout point. And we saw price breaking out towards the upside, and we saw a perfect retest of old resistance there. And this was a very bullish sign, and this is why I opened up a very big position on Bitcoin, which is in a 50k profit right now. And I've been calling this setup live here over on my daily update videos here and over on my YouTube, and literally called it on my X page. After that, we saw a massive surge in price, and the rest is history here. Then $1.1 billion in short got liquidated after this massive push towards the upside. And this is a really good sign, because all the shorts are liquidated here, and that means that the possible move towards the downside is less imminent here. So this is a really good sign. Please make sure to not over leverage yourself, also not with longs, but also not with shorts. Such in volatile markets like this, it's pretty dangerous to open up trades with very big leverage here. And as we can see, Bitcoin is currently breaking out of this 4-year resistance line, which is a massive thing here, because this line took us all the way to a cool down here after we tapped that line. Every single time we tapped that line, we saw a cool down towards the downside. And now we are not going towards the downside, but we are pushing through. And this upside potential is massive for Bitcoin, because we have no resistance on the top side. This was the only resistance around the tops that could go Bitcoin to a cool down here. And we saw a massive pump throughout this resistance, and this is a really good sign in my opinion, because what we can see and what I hope to see is a cool down towards this resistance line, a perfect retest, and then the move towards the upside. If that happens, I'm opening up even a bigger position over on Blofin here, and I will be trading Bitcoin with 260k with some leverage here if this happens. Also, if we look at the total market cap here, we can see in 2024 we had a resistance on the top side. We created resistance, we accumulated against resistance. After that, we saw a pump of approximately 70%. So we saw resistance, accumulation, and then expansion. Now, exactly what we are seeing right now is resistance, accumulation against this resistance line, and the expansion phase is happening right now. And the last time we saw this, we saw the price pumping 70%. And if we see exactly the same, which I'm expecting right now, that will mean that crypto almost hit a $5 trillion market cap, and that would be insane. If you see what prices Ethereum and Bitcoin will have, if we hit it $5 trillion, it is massive. We can make up for a 150 to 170k Bitcoin here. And also Ethereum just hit the 3K once again, which is a pretty good sign. But we are currently breaking out of a massive pattern here. And what I am planning to do is I'm closing out this trade because I was such high in profit and I'm still in a very big profit here. But what I want to do is if we break out towards the upside, I will wait for a little cooldown on Ethereum because this pattern is literally insane. I could bring Ethereum towards the 4-5K here. So if we see a clear breakout and price comes back to retest this old resistance, I am going all in on Ethereum here. And this is the entry zone I want to be looking at. If we break out and see a clear breakout, I'm opening up some very big positions on Ethereum here. And that will be a swing position towards the upside, of course. So things are looking very good. Also for Ethereum, we have seen such a long consolidation period here of approximately 140 days. But now finally Ethereum took his fuel and left this pattern here, and 4K is imminent here on Ethereum. Also good to see Ethereum move after such a long down period here, and good to see that all the people who believed in Ethereum still are in a massive profit right now. So that's really good to see. And this is the pattern we have been talking about on Ethereum, and that is why I entered this big Ethereum position here that is in a 110K profit. It is literally insane. And I took it from off this pattern here. So we saw a squeeze towards the downside and we saw a clear breakout towards the upside and a retest. And that's when I'm entered the trade, and after that Ethereum literally left the planet and we saw a massive surge in price. So once again, a perfect call here, and I called it live over on my X page and live over on my YouTube trade. You can watch previous videos, but I've been talking about this setup a lot, and we have been predicting the market literally every single move for now. So for now, I am waiting for some cooldowns before entering some big trades because we are not opening any long trades here, of course. So we want to be seeing a little cooldown towards the downside before executing the next big position here. And that was it for today's video. If I'm opening up a very big position throughout the day, please make sure to follow me over on my X page to never miss a move once again and never miss a trade once again, because I'm literally sharing free alpha over here. And if you never want to miss daily update videos, please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and smash the like button if you like this video, and I will see you tomorrow by a new one.